I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive. Are you looking to streamline your files and folders or need to copy important documents to another location within your Google Drive? Whether you're managing work projects, school assignments, or personal files, keeping your Google Drive organized is key to productivity. In this video, I'll show you how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive, a simple yet powerful feature that helps you maintain order and efficiency in your digital space. Step 1. Open Google Drive in a web browser and then navigate to where the file you want to copy to another folder lives. Step 2. Click the vertical ellipses next to the file you want to copy to another Google Drive folder. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Organize to open a submenu, and then click Move in that submenu. A Move window opens where you can choose which folder you want to move this file to. Step 4. Click All Locations, and then navigate to the folder you want to copy this file to. Click to select that Google Drive folder, and then click Move. If this file is currently shared with other people, you'll see a note that everyone who can currently see this file will lose access to this item unless it is shared with them again. Step 5. Click Move in this window. Your file will be moved to your chosen folder in Google Drive. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.